Hey everyone, this is One More Guru. Lately, I've seen a lot of debate about Excalidraw. Some people swear it's perfect, while others think it might be starting to lag behind. Personally, I still think it's fantastic for what it is. You open Excalidraw and start drawing instantly, no heavy onboarding, dashboards, or clutter. It genuinely feels like sketching on a whiteboard. That slightly messy, hand-drawn style is part of the charm. It keeps you in thinking mode rather than final presentation mode, which is why so many people love it. It's amazing for brain dumps, quick diagrams, rough UI ideas, explaining systems, or just mapping out thoughts visually. It never feels corporate or over-engineered. It's lightweight and intentional. Sure, if you compare it to tools like Miro or Figma, you'll notice the differences. Those platforms are loaded with templates, structured collaboration features, integrations, admin controls, the whole enterprise ecosystem. Excalidraw doesn't try to compete there. There are some rough edges. Huge canvases can slow things down, stylus support on tablets works, but isn't as polished as dedicated drawing apps, and it's not designed for structured facilitation with big teams. But it's open source, lightweight, easy to self-host, export, and embed. That flexibility is huge for developers and teams who don't want to be locked into heavy subscriptions. So no, it doesn't feel outdated. It feels focused. Excalidraw isn't trying to be an all-in-one whiteboard empire. It's more like a really good digital napkin that just happens to collaborate. Thanks for watching One More Guru. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews.